The DL489 is a 50th anniversary commemorative edition clamp-on meter. This true RMS meter measures AC and DC volts, AC amps, and DC amps, AC and DC microamps, continuity, resistance, capacitance, diode test, frequency and duty cycle. The DL489 has a wide temperature range, and the dual K-type temperature inputs measure T1, T2, or the differential of T1 minus T2, LRA inrush, and non-contact voltage detection. Safety rated to Cat 3 600 volt, Cat 2 1000 volt. This 50th anniversary edition DL489 commemorates our milestone with our most extensive collection of features and functions in a clamp meter. The DL489 is currently available at professional distributors.